Hi guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about the sleep method. So let's start. So sleep method is a static method of the thread class in Java. Method is a static method of a thread class. Next, it is used to pause the currently executing thread for a specific amount of time. The sleep method is used to pause the currently executing thread for a particular amount of time. This is the syntax for the sleep method. So we can write thread then dot sleep, and in this bracket we can give the time in milliseconds. Now we'll take one example of the sleep method. So for that, first we will create a class. So for that we will go to new, then class, and here we will give the class name as demo and the package name as com.sleep. Okay, now we will click on finish. So as you can see, we have created a class, and in this we will write main method. Yeah, so we have created a main method. We will run a loop. Okay, the loop goes to 1 to 5. So for int I is equal to 1, I should less than or equal to 5, and I will update. And in this we will simply print I. So first we'll give some string as count, and we'll concatenate with the string count, and in that we will just print I. Now let's see the sleep method. Okay, so for that we will write, so we can use both. Either we can use throws keyword or we can use try and catch block. So here I am using the try and catch method. So we'll write thread.sleep, and in this we can give the duration as 2000. So that means the loop will interrupt till 2 seconds. After 2 seconds the code will execute it. We can use try and catch block. Okay, and as we can get an interrupt, so here we will print thread interrupted. Okay, so this is an auto generated try and catch block. Okay, and after every 2 seconds the thread will goes to block stage or waiting stage, and after 2 seconds it again comes in running stage. The sleep method is just to give the pause to the thread, and again it comes in the running stage. Done one mistake here, so I will put this try and catch block in the loop only. Now let's again run the code and see what will be the output. Yeah, as you can see, after every 2 seconds the count is printing. Okay, so like this. So we can increase the time as well. So let's say 500 milliseconds. So the thread has interrupted for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds the count will printed. So let's run the code again. As you can see, after every 5 seconds the next will printed. So next count will be printed. See. Okay. This way the sleep method works to interrupt the code. Okay. So the main method of sleep method is used to pause the thread, and the thread goes in block stage or the waiting stage for the temporary time, After the given time, it again comes in its running state. Now let's see some important points related to the sleep method. Thread sleep pauses the current thread. The sleep method is used to pause the current thread. Then it does not release any locks or the resources during the sleep. It may throw an interrupted exception, so you must handle it using try and catch. The sleep method can throw an interrupt exception, so we can handle the exception using try and catch block or using the throws keyword. See why we use the sleep method. Sleep method is used to simulate a delay or waiting time. Then it is used for loading animations or gaming loops. Then next, during the automated testing, wait for UI updates. During the automated testing, sleep method is also used. So this is all about the sleep method. So thank you for watching this video.